You can start the session, sir.
Good morning, dear students. Dear students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. At least one student is there. As we all know, today is October 2nd. What's the special of October 2nd?
Gandhi Jayanti.
JNT.
Is the Gandhi Jayanti. And one thing before we move on to the class, I want to just speak few things about Gandhi, our father of our nature, Gandhiji. And since some of you are not going to the school for celebration, not much time, just few things just I want to share why Gandhiji is very important in our present generation. So only in the screen, I have put one uh, picture with a quote of Albert Einstein regarding Gandhiji on Gandhiji's 70th birthday. That is, generations to come, it may well be, will scarce believe that such a man as this one ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. Do you understand what Albert Einstein has told? Albert Einstein has told on Gandhiji's birthday, he told that generations to come, in the future, the future generations, people will find it difficult to believe. People will find it difficult to believe. People will find frightened to believe, will find it difficult to believe that there was a man like Gandhiji who lived on the earth. Yes, such was the life of Gandhiji. His principles, especially his principle of non-participation. Have you heard about non-participation? Yes. His principle of non-participation, non-violence, peace, equality, responding to the poor, all these principles made him a more unique person. So as the generations go by, maybe our generation, maybe next generation or next generation, they'll find it difficult. There was a person called Gandhiji who lived like this in the earth. That's what Albert Einstein has told, and it is very true. If we were to fight with the Britishers with our arms and guns and all those things in a what is called as in a warfare, I written you, we would not have got independence even now because Britishers were much more equipped in arm and manpower. Not only that one, much more equipped in technology, in modern weapons and so on. Yet this man's concept of non-violence. Of course, there was some other movements by Indian national Congress and all those things. And basing on this one, I want to highlight two sayings of Gandhiji today. That is, one thing is, be a change that you want to be. Be the change that you want to be. This I want to interpret in a different manner. You may say, of course, that can be told as social and social circumstance. That is that the topic is told. Be the change that you want to be. But I want to put it in our educational perspective. What does it say? Sir, I am the only person who was studying, who is a uh, uh, person who is going into a what is called as um, we are going to study a graduate and become a postgraduate and become. You may be the first person from your generation or from your entire family. We say the first generation. We can call that as a first generation graduates of from your family. You may be bring the change. Okay, in my family, nobody has done graduate. In my family, nobody has done postgraduate. You be the change. Instead of blaming your family, they don't know the value of it. No, your duty to make them understand. They are providing a lot of opportunities for you. You be the change. So only I'm telling, I want to interpret that one with regard to your life. So only I put that message. You be the change. So far, the NEET exam toppers and IIT toppers from past 2 3 years are from boys. Why can't girls break and make a change? Be the change, maybe each girl we can say, okay, I will be the change. I will do this one. This time I will be the topper. Last thing that I used to say to my students also, to you also say is, my life is my message. That means your your IIT result or your NEET result or your board exam result is not going to give you the value in your life, but your way of behaving, your way of going about, your way of responding to the people around you will give you respect, will give you value to your life. So let your life be a message, not your marks, not your status, not your money. And in this one, Gandhiji is uploaded by everybody and applauded by everybody because of his way of moving around. Now only he is well known today. He is well known today because of his nature, of his way of moving around, of his way of relating with the others. Again, I want to repeat this one. Your marks, your status, your position, your profession is nothing going to give you respect. It's your way of dealing with the people. It's your way how you respond to the people around you. Maybe those who are superior to you or superior to you. How you respond to them. That gives value to your life. That gives respect to your life. So with these things, I want to say Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Let us not only celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, but let us try to cultivate the good values of Gandhiji in your life. Hmm. So with this, let us be the proud children of our nation by following the values that was upheld by Gandhiji, and carry on the class. So with this, we carry on with our class. So first thing, first of all, did you solve the homework, dear students? And did you solve the homework?
No, sir.
No.
No,
When
sir.
something is asked by something,
No, sir.
I told you yesterday itself. If you have done, say yes. If you have not done, say
No,
no.
sir.
Accept.
No,
Honesty
sir.
is the best policy.
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Kevin, sir.
no response.
Sir, Vignesh is calling you.
Yes,
No, sir.
somebody is responding.
Yeah, sir. I didn't complete it, sir.
I can't hear anything what you are telling. I come to the meet.
Sir, I haven't completed, sir.
Okay. Just you put in the chat box. Let me see what you are responding. No, I have not completed. Who is this? Vignesh. Battery, no. What about others? What about Bhavana? How many also know? Bhavana. Very good, Bhavana. Bhavana has done. What about others? Hmm. What about others? Why it's not done? Okay. Let us carry on the class. So try to do your homework and it is simply the some of the questions are what we are already doing. Nothing I have seen. What we are doing in the class, the same thing. If we are getting in different method, only I am giving the homework. Uh, if it is something new, completely I am giving this, I can understand. Try to do it. Hmm. You can say, sir, class was in the evening, sir. Again, morning classes there. How can you, sir? Understood? It will take hardly half an hour, sir. By the way, every day, the time that I go to bed is 11:30. Because we have got our work, we go and help, we have got the study assistance for IT students. Sometimes we'll be conducting some special test for the what is called as toppers in the evening sessions. By the time we come to our home and we sleep is almost 11:30. But we are in the morning back with fresh. So please understood. So we had a class in the evening. That class. After we have one more class, physics. Afterwards, why can't you spend little extra time? Maybe another half an hour or maybe another 40 minutes. So can you don't repeat it next time? We'll carry on with the problem. We'll carry on with our class. Especially these days, Vignesh is becoming very lazy. Hmm. The first person who was doing all the homework earlier was Vignesh. Now you are becoming very lazy.
So in the evening session after the class, I need to go for to my mother-in-law's house, sir. That's why I have completed. Right now, I'm still is not at my home, sir.
Not only today, with regard to other days also, I'm telling generally.
So others day
Okay?
homework I have completed, sir. I have told you.
Not about, I'm telling what we are observing from few days. Vignesh.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, we'll carry on with the problems. The first problem that we are going to do today is okay. A variable line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A variable line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is such that a plus b is equal to 10. is such that a plus b is equal to 10. Find the locus of the midpoint of line A of the intercepted between the axis. Find the locus of the midpoint of the line intercepted with the axis. That is, they're telling x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is one line, and this line is in the form is also in a way that a plus b is equal to 10. That means if you add the intercepts of these two lines, it is equal to 10. Given that, we have to find the locus of the midpoint of this line. We have to find the locus of the midpoint of this line. If I take m is the midpoint, I have to find the locus of the midpoint of this line. So first, we'll complete the figure. We'll take this as a, this as b. So go to a comma 0, 0 comma b. So this is origin 0. Therefore, midpoint, let me take midpoint. Midpoint alpha comma beta is equal to a by 2 comma b by 2. A by 2 comma b by 2. Therefore, alpha is equal to, sorry, 2 alpha is equal to a and 2 beta is equal to b. 2 alpha is equal to a, 2 beta is equal to b. Now, they are given that x by a plus 5 by b is equal to 1 is such that a plus b is equal to 10. So I'll put this value of a plus b is equal to the 10 value. It will become as 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 10. You simplify this one, comes alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So what is this alpha and beta? Alpha and beta is my midpoint. See here, I taken my midpoint coordinate as alpha and beta. Therefore, alpha and beta is my midpoint. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So the locus of midpoint is alpha plus beta is equal to 5. If I take in the terms of x and y, becomes x plus y is equal to 5. This is the locus of the midpoint on the line x by a plus 5b is equal to 1. So, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
So I go to the next question. This one, did you understand this question? Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So the next question is, just a minute. So there's just 1 minute. The next question is, two equal sides of isosceles triangle. Two equal sides of isosceles triangle are 7x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Two sides of isosceles triangle are 7x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. The third side is passing through the point 1 comma 0. The third side is passing to the point 1 comma 0. Find the equation of the third side. Find the equation of the third side. So find the equation of the third side. Okay. But what they are telling is they are telling that in isosceles triangle, two sides are given in the line equation. The third side is passing through a point 1, 0. That means if I draw an isosceles triangle, A, B, this side is given by line 1 and this side is given by line 2. Third side is passing through the point 1, 0. This third side, BCC question I have to find. Already in the level 1, we have solved the same type of question. If you have forgotten, no problem, we'll do it again. What to do? So first we'll find let us say this is the line equation of AB. This is the line equation of AC. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to how much? Slope of AB is equal to
1/7.
minus 7 by minus 1, that is equal to
7,
7.
7, 7.
Slope of AC is equal to
-1.
minus 1. So I don't know the slope of BC. I'll take slope of BC is equal to M. Look carefully in the diagram now. AB and BC are intersecting and making one angle, and AC and BC are taking an intersecting angle. We know that angle B is equal to angle C in isosceles triangle. Correct, no? We know that angle B is equal to angle C in isosceles triangle. Therefore, two lines are making an angle. We know the lines of two lines. By using the angle between two lines, that is equal to, by using the concept of angle between two lines, I can get the answer as, now. So it is, just a minute, M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. So basing on this one, 7 minus M divided by 1 plus 7M, that is equal to M minus 1 divided by, M plus 1 divided by 1 minus M. So we will remove the modulus. Let us see what happens when we remove the modulus. So 7 plus M, 7 minus EM divided by 1 plus 7EM is equal to plus or minus of, is equal to plus or minus of, is equal to plus or minus of M plus 1 into M minus 1 minus M. So this also is equal to, we will take case 1, case 2. Therefore, first case is 7 minus M into 1 minus M is equal to plus of 1 plus 7M and M plus 1. So tell me the equation of this one. Simplify and tell me the equation. Simplify and tell me the answer of this one first. So tell me the value of m for this condition and for second condition also. When you take minus, what happens? Case 1 and case 2. Value of m. Pardon? Vignesh, your voice is breaking completely. We couldn't hear what you were telling. Please, the voice is breaking. At least drop your answer in the comment. One of the students will read the answer for me. Because when you speak only, I could get little the broken pieces. So only I couldn't get it continuously. So drop your answer in the box. One of the students, either Bhavana or somebody, will read it for me. You.
Vignesh, you can put it in the chat box. I'll read it for sir. Yes, Vignesh.
So value of m in case 1 and case 2.
Sir, m equal to 1 by 3 and minus 3, sir.
M equal to 1 by 3 and minus 3. Correct answer. Whose answer is this one? Bhavana's or Vignesh?
Sir, Bhavana, sir.
What about Vignesh answer? Literally, Vignesh. Sorry. I voice is breaking very badly. So I'm telling you, drop the message. One of your friends will read it for me. So correct. What Bhavana told of slope value is correct. M is equal to 1 by 3 or M is equal to minus 3. Now, they told that if you look at this triangle, see here, my line BC is passing through the point 1 comma 0 and this BC slope is 3 or else, sorry, minus 3 or else 1 by 3. That means I got a point of this line, I got a slope of this line. Therefore, using point slope form, I get two equations. That is okay, point is 1 comma 3 now. Right. What is the point it is going passing through? The point it is passing through is 1 comma 0. Is y is equal to m 1 by 3 into x minus 1. That is equal to 3y is equal to x minus 1. That is equal to x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is one of the equation. Another one of the equation is y is equal to minus 3 into x minus 1, that is equal to y is equal to minus 3x plus 3, that is equal to 3x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So whichever option is in whichever answer is in the option, you should select that respective option. Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next question is 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 is changed into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This we have done in the previous level, some 6 problems. Then what is the value of cos alpha? Then what is the value of cos alpha? 5x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is changed into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What is the value of cos alpha? What is this? Cos alpha. I know you have forgotten all these problems. In level 1, we have solved all
Sir,
the
is
5.
it 5, sir? Cos alpha value.
Very bad, sir. Wrong. The answer is 700% wrong, sir. So don't worry. This shows that you are not practicing what we are taking. No issues. We'll carry on. So 5x minus so it becomes 5x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 7. Means I have taken the 7 to the other side. So now I want to divide and do it by root of a square plus b square. So it will be root of a square plus b square is equal to root 29. So it will be root of a square plus b square means 25 plus 4 will be 29. So I will divide by this one. So the entire thing will become 5 by root 29 x minus 2 by root 29 y is equal to 7 by root 29. So this is in the form of now x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So cos alpha value is cos alpha value is 5 by root 29, not 5. Now we are telling 5
Yes.
by saying the question itself, you are telling 5. All these things we have done almost some how much 5 to 7 questions. So do you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Now you go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question is of the same type only. That is, if alpha and beta are the angles made by the line, if alpha and beta are the angles made by the line, by drawing the normals from the origin, by drawing the normals from the origin to the line x plus y plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. X plus y plus root 2 is equal to 0. From this line, we are drawing the, what is this called as normal. Because of normal, we are getting alpha and beta as two angles. And another line is x minus root 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the with the positive direction? With the positive direction of x-axis, we are getting alpha and beta. If for one line it is alpha, for another line it is beta. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Now, same thing. We have to find the alpha and beta value separately. So first we'll take this one. So it will become as minus x minus y is equal to root 2. So that will be if I divide by this one is we have to divide 2 out by root 2. That will be is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus minus 1 by root 2 into x into y is equal to 1. Therefore, when do we get cos as minus 1 by root 2? So what is the value of 1 by root 2? When do we get 1 by
45 degrees.
pi by 4? So when do we get
225, sir. 225 degrees.
when do we get this what is called sine and cos both are negative? That is only in the third quadrant. Correct? No? The third quadrant, the angle is pi plus theta. That means my theta value is now pi by 4. So if I want to make my angle in the third quadrant, means I should make sure that I should add pi to it. Therefore, it becomes pi plus pi by 4. That will be is equal to 5 pi by 4. So that entire
Yes,
equation
sir.
will change into x cos 5 pi by 4 plus y sin 5 pi by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, what is my alpha value here? So you compare this one with the standard equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha sin alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, alpha is equal to 5 pi by 4. Similarly, for the next equation, what is the next equation? The next equation is
X
x
minus
minus root
root
3 y
3y.
by minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus root 3 y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this equation, again, we have to simplify. So x minus root 3 is equal to 2. For root of a square and plus b square is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to root 4 is equal to, we have to divide by 2. Right? 1 by 2x minus root 3 by 2y is equal to 2. So now you have to see, look carefully in which angle my, what is this called as uh, in which angle my sine is, my cos is positive and sine is negative. In which quadrant? Here, cos is positive, sine is negative.
Fourth
Okay.
quadrant.
Fourth quadrant, very good. That means for fourth quadrant, what is my angle? My angle is 2 pi minus theta, or else 2 pi minus theta. Fourth quadrant, the angle is 2 pi minus theta. So I am taking the 2 pi minus theta. So what happens? Pi 1, when do I get cos 1 by 2? Cos 1 by 2 is equal to
60 degrees. 5 by 3.
pi by 3. Therefore, I have to take it as, for cos, I have to take it as 2 pi minus pi by 3. When do I get root 3 by 2 in sine? Pi by 3.
Yes,
Correct, no?
sir.
So that is equal to 6 pi minus pi will become 5 pi by 3. Therefore, if I write this one, it will become as x cos 5 pi by 3 plus y sin 5 pi by 3 is equal to, this is 1, no? 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, if you compare this one with the standard equation, it will become as x cos beta, because already alpha we have taken there, so I am taking beta here. Y sin beta is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of beta is equal to
5 pi by 3.
5 pi by 3. So this is not our answer. Our answer is to find the value of alpha plus beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to What is alpha value? 5 pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4 plus 5 pi by 3 is equal to LCM is 12. So it is 15 pi plus 20 pi is equal to 35 pi by 12. 35 pi by 12. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You understand how to solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
This is very easy question. Let me see how much time will take to answer this question. Huh? Some of you will open the notes, textbook and find the formula and you will do it. Let us see who will do genuinely without looking at the formula. The perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to the line 12x plus 5y is equal to 7. The perpendicular distance from the point 1 comma 2 to 12x plus 5y is equal to 7. Tell me the formula. Tuck. Perpendicular distance d is equal to, already we solved a lot of times this formula. We have used almost more than 50 times we have used this formula in questions. ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Students, very good. Very good performance. Let us tell me the answer by substituting the values. So formula is given, everything is given. At least tell me the answer. It will hardly take 30 seconds.
Sir. 15 by 13, sir. 15 by 13.
15 by 13. Very
Yes.
good, correct. Now, next question. The perpendicular distance from origin to the line P, from origin to the line P 1 comma 2, such that P bisects the part intersected by the axis. They were telling for the perpendicular distance from the origin to the point P 1 comma 2, such that P bisects the line intercepted between the axes. So of this line, I have to find the perpendicular distance. So P is bisecting the line in the ratio 1:2. This also we have solved in level 1 question. Same question with some other values. So this will be a comma 0. This will be b comma 0. Sorry, 0 comma b. So therefore midpoint 1 comma 2 is equal to a by 2 comma b by 2. Therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. So therefore the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 will get into x by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. To simplify this one, becomes 2x plus y is equal to sorry. 2x plus y is equal to 2. So I skipped one step. It is 4x plus 2y is equal to 4 it comes. If you take comma everything, 2x plus y is equal to 2. Do you understand? Now this line, from this line, we have to find the distance between uh, origin to this line. That is, we have to find the distance from origin to this one. This one d is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 2 divided by root of 4 plus 1. That is equal to 2 by root 5. Is it clear? Did you understand? Do you understand this problem, dear students?
Yes, sir.
So with they're telling that point 1 comma 2 is bisecting the line. Bisection means it is cutting the line equally. So that becomes a midpoint. From the midpoint, I have taken the coordinates a comma 0 and b comma 0. From there, I find the a and b value. So my equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, I am putting my a and b value in the equation. So I'll get the equation. So from that line equation to the point 0, I have to find the from the point line to the origin, I have to find the perpendicular distance. So from this one to origin, 0 comma 0, the distance is equal to 2 by root 5.
2x plus y is equal to 4, sir. You have
Pardon?
written 2.
What this one?
2x plus y is equal to 4, sir.
2x plus 5.
Y, sir. 2x plus y
Yeah.
is equal
It's
to
not
4,
2x
sir.
plus y is equal to 4. It's supposed to be 4x plus 2y is equal to 4. Who taught you
No,
LCM
sir.
and calculation?
8, sir. 8. 4x plus 2y is equal to 8.
Yes, sir. It is 4x plus y is equal to LCM is 4. So it is 2x plus, okay. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Correct. 2x plus y is equal to 4. LCM is 4. It's not 8. LCM is not 8. LCM is 4. So that will become as uh, uh, 4 by root of 5. 4 by root 5. Okay, I'll give you one more question as an homework. Let me give two questions as homework. First question is, the perpendicular, so the nearest point on the line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 from the origin. From the origin, I should find the nearest point on this line. From the origin, I should find the nearest point to this line. Same thing, depending on the theory concept only. When I was explaining the line equation theory, I told you, for example, if this is my line and this is my point, the distance from this point to this line is can be taken like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. But I consider only this line because that is the shortest and the nearest distance of that line from the point. So based on same concept, now we are doing it. First to find the nearest point, distance of line to the origin. Then what you can do is take another one arbitrary point x comma y, and you're getting some value of distance here. Equate the distance with that x comma y and find there's one more point that satisfies the same distance. There's one more point that satisfies the same distance. So this is one homework question. Another one homework question I want to give is a very easier one. We have solved in the last what is called as a level 1 problem also, and we have solved this problem in the locus also, like these problems. The ends of a rod of length L. The ends of a rod of length L moves on coordinate axis. The ends of a rod of length L moves on coordinate axis. The locus of the point of the rod. The locus of the point of the rod, which divides the line in the ratio 1:2. That means there is a rod of length L. This rod's length is L. Is moving on x and y axis, diagonally or slantingly. There is a point, some point p x comma y is there, or some alpha comma beta or h comma k, anything you take. This point's locus you have to find, given that this point divides the line in the ratio 1:2. This point divides the line in the ratio 1:2. You know the a coordinate, b coordinate, you know. So first find the a coordinate and b coordinate, then find the section formula. Then once you find the section formula, you get the point P. For that point P's equation, you have to find it out later on through concept of this one, Points law form. Or else you can use Points law form also, as you can use 2-point form also.
Sir, can you
So
repeat the question?
the question is the ends of the rod of length L is moving along the coordinate axes. The ends of the length of rod L is moving on a coordinate axis. Find the locus of the point P on rod, which is cutting the rod in the ratio 1:2. I have drawn a diagram for you very easily, so you can easily solve the problem.
Yes, sir.
So these are the, I have given only 2 problems for you today. So kindly solve these 2 problems. Only these 2 problems I given. And for this week's test, entire straight lines from the beginning till the end, whatever you have taken. And this time the problems are a little difficult because I'm planning to give little difficult problems because you are not concentrating on formulas. So start preparing from today itself. This time the paper on straight lines will be slightly difficult. I am assuming that one. So thank you. We will meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, students. And again, we have class in the evening from 6:30 to 8:30. We have holidays from today. So those who have holidays from today, so please practice whatever sir and madam are discussing in the